Hello, my smart learners. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am your host and host. Welcome you all in Learn Smart's Journal Knowledge session. And today we are going to learn about the festivals and fairs of India. And as you all know that our India is full of diversity and there are so many festivals and fairs held every year. So let us start learning. Desert Festival. It is an annual winter event that is organized for 3 days by the Rajasthan Tourism Department. It is a colorful festival celebrated in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, held in February every year. Cultural events, camel races, turpentine competitions are performed in the festival. Mahakumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela or Kumbha Mela is a major pilgrimage and festival in Hinduism. It is celebrated in a cycle of approximately 12 years at 4 riverbank pilgrimage sites, the Allahabad, Haridwar, Nasik and Ujjain. The Kumbh Mela is the largest congregation of mankind in the world. Taj Mahotsav. The Taj Mahotsav is an annual 10 days event at Shilpgram in Agra, India. This festival invokes the memories of the old Mughal era and Nawabi style prevalent in Uttar Pradesh in the 18th and 19th century. Camel Fair. The Pushkar Fair, also called the Pushkar Camel Fair or locally as Kartik Mela or Pushkar Ka Mela. It is an annual multi-day livestock fair and cultural fete held in the town of Pushkar. Cattle Fair. Sonpur Cattle Fair is held on Kartik Purnima over the months of November and December in Sonpur, Bihar, on the confluence of river Ganga. It is also known as Harihar Kshetra Mela and attracts visitors from all over Asia. Champa Festival. The Champa Festival is harvest festival held each year in Manipur state. This exceptional event is primarily celebrated by the Tanghal Nagas innate of the state, for whom it is an essential celebration. Nagada Festival. The harvest festival of the Ringmas is called Nagada. It is an 8-day Nagada festival that marks the end of the agricultural season. Nagada is celebrated just after the harvest towards the end of November. Deyam Dance Festival. Deyam is a grand dance festival in Kerala and is celebrated many regions of the state. It is said to be ritual dance in Kerala and is also known as Kaliyattam. Ganga Sagar Mela. The Ganga Sagar Fair and pilgrimage is held annually on Sagar Island, southern tip, where the Ganga enters the Bay of Bengal. This confluence is also called Ganga Sagar or Ganga Sagara. The Ganga Sagar is the second largest congregation of mankind after Kumbha Mela. Hemis Gompa Fair. Hemis Gompa Fair or Hemis Festival is celebrated annually on the 10th day of the Tesechau month, which is the lunar month of the Tibetan calendar. It is celebrated for 2 days and marks the birth anniversary of Guru Padma Sambhava. The main events are held at the Buddhist monastery of Ladakh, Hemis Monastery. International Kite Festival. Every year, Gujarat celebrates more than 200 festivals. The International Kite Festival is regarded as one of the biggest festivals celebrated. Months before the festival, homes in Gujarat begin to manufacture kites for the festival. Bihu Festival. Bihu is a set of 3 important Assamese festivals in the Indian state of Assam. The Rongali or Bohag Bihu, observed in April. Kongali or Kati Bihu, observed in October. And Bhogali or Magh Bihu, observed in January. The Rongali Bihu is the most important of the 3, celebrating spring festival. Hornbill Festival. The Hornbill Festival is a celebration held every year from 1 to 10 December in Nagaland, Northeast India. It is also called the Festival of Festivals. Goa Carnival. Carnival in Goa, also called Vaiva Carnival, refers to the festival of Carnival in the Indian state of Goa. Though significantly smaller than the well-known Rio Carnival or the Portuguese Carnival. The Goa Carnival is the largest in India and one of the few traditional celebrations of the Catholic holiday in Asia. Khajuraho Dance Festival. The Khajuraho Dance Festival, organized by the Madhya Pradesh Kala Parishad, is a one-week festival of classical dances held annually beside the Khajuraho temples in Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh state in central India. The festival is conducted in February from 20th to 16th. And that's all for today. I really hope that you all really liked today's video and learned well about festivals and fairs of India. If you all like this video, then like and share our video, and if you have any suggestion or any query, then comment in the comment section below, and do subscribe our channel Learn Smart. You all can follow us on our Facebook page, our Instagram account, and our Telegram account via the links provided in the description box below. And now it's time to leave, but we will meet again in the next video with another smart topic. Till then, take care of yours and your near and dears.